So students, in last class we have uh, learned fractions in the using the unlike fractions to like fractions. Then ascending order, descending order. Next, compare the fractional numbers and then reduce form. So these concepts we have learned. So now today I'm going to new concept, that is addition of unlike fractions. Additions of unlike fractions. We all know that, so we can convert it to unlike fractions, like fractions. It will be learned. So it is addition, subtraction. Both are very easy. I am already many times I told. Okay. So now I will go for in the last year. So what is the third standard? You have to learn addition of like fractions only. When the denominators are same, we can do directly numerators add, denominators we should write as it is. So that's you have to learn in the third standard. But here we can learn unlike fractions, how to add the unlike fractions. Now look at the board. One examples I will take it. 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. So these the denominators are same. So it is no problem. Denominators are same. It is no problem. So we can directly the add. So we can write the denominator 7. So I add directly numerator. 3 plus 2. What is the 3 plus 2? 5. So that is the answer. Is it clear? Now I will go for 7 by 5 plus 5 by 5. 5 by 5. This is the one of the like fraction. So we can add directly. So what is the denominator? 5 we should write it as it is. Denominator we cannot 5 plus 5 we cannot add. So we can write the denominators only. Next 7 plus 5 12. 12 by 5. So this is the adding like fractions. So how it is adding the unlike fractions? So here 1 by 8 plus 3 by 16. So this type of fractions we can take. So we know that convert it to like fractions using take LCM of denominators 8 and 16. 8 and 16, take the LCM using the division method. 8 and 16. So I will take 2, 2 for the 2 8 the, again take 2 to the 2 for the 2 1 the 2 to the next 2 2 1 the 2 1 the. So now find out the LCM. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. That LCM is 16. Is 16. Now we should write the one time that write the numbers. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 16. Now take the equivalent fractions. The denominator is 16 plus denominator is 16. So equivalent fractions, you know all of you. So okay, common denominator is 16. Common denominator is 16. Now multiply 8. How much the 16? 8 to the 16. So what about here numerator? 2. 2 1 the 2. So what about here? 16 on the 16. 3 1 the 3. So now those fractions are like fractions. We can add. No. So what is it? Answer. So denominator 16 as it is. Numerators add 2 plus 3, 5. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So this type we can do for unlike fractions to addition. LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಗುರುಜಿ, so this answer is proper fraction. Answer is proper fraction. So we cannot using the mixed fraction. So ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆವಾಗ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So you keep in mind. So now I will go for another one question. Now look at the board. 2 1 by 3 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12. This is the fraction. So these are the unlike fractions. So first, some fractions are having mixed fractions are there. So let me convert improper fractions. Okay, that is the first step. So 2 3 the 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3 plus 2 4 the 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4 plus 5 by 12, 5 by 12. So now, so all the denominators are different. So these are unlike fractions. Now convert to like fractions using the LCM. Take the LCM. LCM of 3, 4 and 12. So these two numbers, find the LCM is, taken the LCM. Okay, 3 1 the, so 4 we should as it is, 3 4 the. Now I will take 4, 4 1 the, 4 1 the 4. So what is LCM? LCM is 12. Now we have get the LCM. Write these questions one time. 7 by 3 plus 11 by 4 plus 5 by 12. Now common denominator is 12. So now make the like fraction equivalent fractions. 3 how much the 12? 3 4 the 12. So what about here multiply? 4 7 4 the 28. Next, so 4 how much the 12? 4 3 the. So what about here multiply? 3. So 11 3 the 33. Next, 12 how much the 1? 12 12 1 the 1 5 the. So what about your answer? Your answer you should write it. Adding the denominators, 28 plus 33 plus 5. Adding 8 plus 3. So 3 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry. So now, 66. Yes. We get 66 by 12. 66 by 12. Now, so it is a improper fraction. This improper fraction, you cannot stop. So we can convert into mixed fraction using the division 12, 66, 12 table nearest 66 number, 12 5 the 60. So what about your answer? 6. So new whole number is 5, numerator is 6, denominator is 12. 5 6 by 12. So that is your answer. This is your answer. Keep in mind. So all the questions having first to mixture fraction ಇದೆಯಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಗುರುಜಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ಗೆ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, when we add 0, so the answer is itself. So you know that. So we can changing order is the, you know, all of you. So okay, that is the properties of addition. So we cannot add 1 here. So now denominators are same, so we can add directly. So all of you know that. Now, so I will take another questions. Fill in the blanks is there. The type of questions are there. Now I will go for ಗುರುಜಿ. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಓಕೆ ಗುರುಜಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 plus 14 by 5 ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 7 plus 2 by 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್, ಗುರುಜಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗುರುಜಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ದ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 1. ಗುರುಜಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು, ಸೊ ವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 1. ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗುರುಜಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಗುರುಜಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಗುರುಜಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಬೇರೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ having a whole number is there, we can write denominator is 1. So 5 plus 14 by 5 is there, so we can call 5 by 1 plus 14 by 5. So we can understand for 1. So first 1 and 5 we can take the LCM. The LCM is 5. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. LCM 5 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, so now we should multiply 5. So denominator is 5, denominator is 5 plus here denominator is 5. So 1 5 the 5, here multiply 5. 5 5 the 25. Next 5 on the 5, so here numerator is 1. So we should multiply 14 on the 14. So we can understand. So denominator is 5, 25 plus 14, 39. 39 by 5. So 39 by 5. So it is a mixture fraction. So it is improper fraction. Let me convert it to mixture fraction. 39, 5. 5 7 is 35. 4 is remaining. So 7, 4 by 5. That is the answer. 4. So we can convert it into mixture fraction. So answer is 7 4 by 5. So ಈ ರೀತಿ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Same the question. 7 plus 2 by 6. Same that. We can do it same procedure. We can follow 7 plus 2 by 6. Denominator is 1. Guruji denominator ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So we understand taken 1. Guruji ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ 7 1 7 by 1. So now take the denominator. So LCM is 1 and 6 is LCM. LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. 1 and 12 under 12. So 1 and 35 under 35. So we can multiply. So we can get the because it is 1. So now, so denominator is 6. Here denominator is 6. So 1 how much is 6? 1 6 is 6. Numerator is we multiply 6 7 6 is the 42 plus 6 1 the 6 2 1 the 2. So what we get answer 44 by 6. So it is a mixed. So it is improper fraction. Let me convert it to mixed fraction. So 44 by 6 6 7 the 42. So remaining is 2. So whole number is 7. Whole number is 7. 2 by 6. 2 by 6. That is the answer. We understand. Keep in mind. So this type of questions asking for the examinations. Guruji, one question is there. So what is your answer? So tell me, let me go for another one questions. Okay. So it is sorry, it is 6 1. It is 6 1. Okay. Now I will take 7th one. 0 plus 1 by 2. What is your answer? 0 adding to the any number. So answer is itself 1 by 2. So next one, I will go for 8th one question. Second, same that question. So 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4 plus 0. What is your answer? We should write 2 1 by 4. That is enough. So these are the addition of fractions. Same denominators idre, no problem. Same denominators are there, so we can add directly. When the denominators are different, we can do take the LCM and then find out the equivalent fractions and adding the numbers. So that is the addition concept. So do you all of you know that addition of unlike fractions? So today your homework is exercise 7D. So first main, second main, third main, all the 3 mains you have to do in the HW work. I hope all of you understand today's classes. So your main concept is unlike to like fractions. Okay, you have that is a mandatory part. So in kaltugondre 5th standard kuda easy agutte. Keep in mind. Okay, so what is your homework? Exercise 7D, page number 101. First main, second main, third main, all the mains you have to do in the HW. Okay, so keep in mind. Okay students, all of you watch the video and improve your knowledge. Thank you. Dhanyavad.